Hello everyone. So today I'm actually doing a full hand set, but today I'm actually finished out my left hand and I will be working on my right hand. And I'm getting ready to go into the video. What I will actually be doing is actually adding clear tips to my nails, which is right here. I'll be adding to my nails, and I'll be actually using the gel on top of an over layer over the tips that I'll be actually doing today. I got it from Makartt. Yes, that's what I got it, and I got it from Amazon. Okay, so it do come with a brush in the inside. It comes with a spatula on one end and a brush on the other end, and that's what I'm gonna actually be using. And for my slip, to actually apply it, I will be using alcohol. And you don't have to use the same percentage that I use. You can use 90, 91, whatever your choice. And I'm just going to keep it clear for now. So I'm getting ready to dive into the video. If you like what you see, hit that subscribe button and give me a comment. Let me know what you think. All right, so now I'm preparing the nail. Okay, I'm getting ready to measure each nail to see what tip goes on each nail. And then I'm going to file the moon part of the nail, where the moon part of the nail at on both edges. Just file those in a little bit and apply a little glue. Then place it onto the nail. I'm just holding it down, and I have to just add a little bit more glue. Sorry you guys, the camera is just a little too low, but as you can see, I'm just holding the tip in place so they can dry. Okay, on to the next nail now. Okay, and for each nail, after applying the tip, I went on and put the base on, the base top coat on after I glued the nail. Then I secured it, and then I applied the gel on top of it. As you can see, I applied the polygel on top. And just, okay. Now I'm just molding in the polygel with alcohol. I'm using the alcohol as my slip. When you're doing polygel, you could take your time. You don't have to rush because it doesn't get hard fast. All you have to do is just apply how you want to, shape it how you want to, and just take your time. And then secure it with the light, and it will get hard. And it takes me a little time to get it just the way I want it. But once I get it just the way I want it, now securing my nails in a UV light. You can add extra minutes to the light in order for it to dry as much as you want it to do. Okay. Now I'm just securing the next nail, filing both sides of the nails, shaping it to the desired shape that I want. I'm just securing it, and I will be applying the top coat to the nails. Okay. I'm going to do the thumb. In some cases, I will do the thumb first, let the thumb dry, and then I do 2 coats, and then I go on to the other 4 nails and do those. Okay, doing the thumb one more time. Okay, now I'm doing all 4 nails. cleaning up the sides of my nails where the extra gel may have run over it. Now secure it. And I'm getting now. It's kind of like letting it dry a little bit more. Now I'm getting ready to use the oil, the cuticle oil now. And just apply it on the cuticle. Onto all nails by the cuticle. Okay, I'm officially done, you guys. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Until next time, tune in.